So these are the best codes that you can use right now on BlockSpin. There are a lot of codes, so make sure you watch this video thoroughly and that you can get the best of these codes. So first, let's find out how to actually use the codes. Well, it's very simple. What you're going to want to do is tap on that button at the right side of the screen, and this will give us the hub, which basically contains more buttons. And at the bottom, as you can see, there's this codes button. Tap on it, and here you can enter the codes for, well, prizes. So here are the codes that you can use. There are a lot, so I'll be pausing the video every maybe 5 seconds so that you can copy them and just paste them onto your game. So here's the first batch, and then here's the second, and I'm just gonna keep scrolling so that you can keep copying and then getting all of this cash into your game. It really is amazing how many codes there are. I think this is the most codes I've seen in a game. So you better be grateful because I don't think these actually expire. So just keep using them whenever you want to, or maybe just keep scrolling through the video because there is a lot more. As you can see, the scroll bar on the right isn't even halfway to done. So let's keep going and going. There we go. And all of these give you 500 plus cash. So I don't think it's actually just 500. There should be more than 500. So just use them and see what you get. I assure you it's more than 500. So there we go. We're almost down. And we're at the last few scrolls. So just keep on using these and pausing the video if you would like to. And here we are at the very bottom, with the bottom being 4B008X. So when you use these codes, you will get 500 plus cash. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can use the codes and also what the codes are in order to get the money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if this tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.